Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos.
Baking soda mixed with water and hydrogen peroxide can make a great white shoe cleaner. You can also use a simple paste made with only baking soda and water. If you are adding hydrogen peroxide, use 1 portion of baking soda and half portion of each water and hydrogen peroxide. Make a paste by mixing 1 tablespoon baking soda and a half tablespoon each of hydrogen peroxide and lukewarm water. Dip a toothbrush in the solution and scrub the stains. Let the solution dry on the shoe for half an hour. Finally, rinse the shoe with plain normal water to remove stains from your white Vans. Follow these steps to use the toothpaste to clean the white Vans. Put a pea-sized white toothpaste on the toothbrush. Use the toothbrush to scrub the Vans. Repeat this until it is thoroughly cleaned. Then rinse it with water, and leave it to dry in the shed. Remove all the debris and dirt from the shoes with the help of the shoe brush. In a bowl, add a pinch of bleach and water to form a thick paste. Dip a clean toothbrush into the paste, and scrub the Vans. Repeat this until the Vans are cleaned completely. After bleaching, rinse the shoes with normal plain water, and dry them in the shade. If you keep them in direct sunlight, then they will turn yellow, cleaning your white Vans.